Okay, so here it is installed. Um, yeah, I have a bunch of screws in there, like four on that side, three on that side. I still have one more to put there. Four on that side, three on this side. Something I found out, I have the fan that only goes one direction, but if I reverse the polarity on the input and the output, I have them so I can take them apart when I want. If I reverse the polarity, I actually get the breeze going in the opposite direction. So that's something. I don't know if it's going to do any issue, but I'm thinking it's a permanent magnet motor, so it should be fine. But yeah, I can make it go both directions if I want, and it's actually set up to, be able to come apart if I need to do that. Well, there it is. This is going reverse, actually. And you can see the wind coming down from that. It's supposed to be sucking it out, but this one's pulling it in. And yeah, that's the biggest thing I've done. Maybe one of the biggest things I've done in this RV. I'm sure there's more to come, but until next time, keep on rethinking.